Let's start off by adding our 2 eggs. We're just gonna give it a quick little whisk. Alright, just like that. Now you want to add your other ingredients. So we're gonna add our cilantro, onions, lemon juice, mayo. Give it a nice little mix. Time to add our crab meat. About 2 tablespoons of Creole seasoning. And finally, we're going to add some breadcrumbs. Now that I have the texture that I'm looking for, I'm going to start making some patties. Alright, so you want to set your pan and your oil to about a medium heat. And once that's nice and hot, you can start off by adding your patties. Alright guys, so my crab cakes are looking perfect. This is the color, that I was looking for. Nice and golden, not too dark, Alright.